going to see one of the feature command extrusion or extruded boss or base. This command we will see what exactly extrusions and how we will extrude any part in SolidWorks. It is very simple and easy. So let's draw one geometry, select a plane, sketch, and select some geometry. Okay, now select some straight slot. Okay, now here 3D, these all are the 3D models tool. We can extrude, cut everything. So today we will study extruded boss. Either you can go exit or directly you can click on extruded boss. It is up to you. So we will see, let's exit and select extruded boss. See, it is going to select. And now it is showing that arrow in one direction. It means you can extrude up to this direction. Even you can go beyond also. So let's see what exactly this. A window came here, direction 1. There are many options. First, blind. Blind means you can extrude up to any length. Here you have to fix the length like 50 mm or 70 mm, anything you can fix it here. And after that, up to vertex. Up to vertex means if there is any surface or anything you can. So now the second one is up to surface. If any surface here is any body here, you can just click the body and it will extend up to surface. Then it is offset from body. You can select any body and offset. So this all we will see next. And this mid plane. See, mid plane, you can increase, decrease. It's up to you. This is mid plane. Make 100. Let's make blind and choose angle. First we will see this blind. Select OK. Now see, this is our first extruded body is ready. This is what we made. This is simple and is nicely looking. Now click on that box and select edit feature. Now here we will see there is one option. We will see this direction 2. There are two directions. Select second direction also. The same, it will go whatever you want, 50 mm or anything. Just want to increase or decrease. The same options are here all, up to body, up to mid plane and everything. Cancel and check this is selected counter. This selected counter, this is the thing that if you want any body, if you want to extrude any one body or all of this body, you can just select OK. So see, it is only two bodies selected. Just click on this and edit feature and again select this third body. So now it is extruded. So if this is the selection way, which body you want to extrude, just select it and it will extrude. And here one option, angle. Just select angle, make 10 degrees. See, it is 10 degrees. Here one option, draft outward. See, it is going outward. Choose direction 2 and reduce this and keep it straight. This degree make less 8 mm so that it will not touch each other. Select OK. See, it is outward direction. So this is the simple and extruded tool we can use in many ways or many things. I hope you enjoyed this